Bike is very clean, ready to go. This is the pressure fitting that holds it in place, just these hubs here and the latch here. It's very easy to install and just slips on the rack. Voila. Once mounted, the box is completely latched into place. No need to worry about it coming off or anything unexpectedly. Heavy-duty latches on both sides, and it hinges open to the outside, creating a space for you to place things if you need to, as well as, even on the exhaust side, a great amount of storage. And on the non-exhaust side, you're going to have even more storage. Same thing. Latches from both sides. Very roomy. Very easy to open. And the latches are strong enough to even hold it mid-position. The racks are heavy duty as well, designed to take an impact, to take a beating like the GS can.